What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. I think y'all know what I'm gonna talk about, man. We gonna talk about TSMP. What a beautiful Tuesday. Finally breaking out of that resistance of 24. Beautiful start to the week. I see clear paths to new highs. We got two news catalysts that came out that really propelled this thing, and I haven't seen moves like this since that merger deal went down. But before we get into that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it. TSMP, baby, what a beautiful, beautiful move today. As you see, we see a huge spike in volume, trading over 100 million shares. We finally had that breakout of the 24 area and solidifying that when it reached this 26. Man, oh man, oh man, it was beautiful. To be honest, I didn't even think we are gonna get that kind of move today. Is it's because it's up right now 37%, which is beautiful. Normally I would wait till the market closed before I make a video on TSMP, but this thing just moves so beautifully I couldn't wait. I just wanted to share it with all my subscribers, wanted to share it with everybody willing to listen. It is such a beautiful thing. Congratulations to all my TSMP bulls. I know you guys are living lovely right now. But when the market first opened, I did a video earlier today on AITX. If you guys haven't watched it, please go and do so. Just a quick day trade capitalizing on the morning short squeeze. I could have potentially made 40% on it, but as soon as I seen the move happening on TSMP, as you guys know, I've been doing videos, I've been doing my due diligence on TSMP. So when a move happens that I'm prepared for a stock like TSMP, which is on my top watch, on my top three, I will relocate any funds I have in something else to go straight to here. So I was in AITX. I was up about 9-10% when I seen this move finally starting to happen. When the market opened, we started to get that push. So I exited that and took me a nice 9% profit on that squeeze on a day trade, which is nice. But because TSMP is more important, you feel me? So, you know, once it popped up to the 26, that's when to me it solidified. We have a actual breakout, not just a fake out breakout. So once it started dropping, that's when I got in. 24.5, I bought 10,000 shares here, bought another 5,000 shares in my other account. And then even as it dipped below, you know, that wasn't going to shake me out because it already solidified, and it instantly popped back and held, and then finally had the nice run. So what was the catalyst of today? Because we haven't seen a major move like this since that merger deal, man. We haven't seen a huge pop like this. 40, 36, 37% move in a single day. So let's get into that. This right here is Humber's Twitter. Twitter. This is Humble's Twitter. And so as you can see right here, they have news coming out welcoming the Astali collection to Humble Studios. We will be adding one artisan per day this week in Humble Studios. So they're adding artisans and merchants, introducing Raining Gray, Humble's new merchant, now available on Humble Studios. Check out her collection by clicking the link. And this is exactly what they said. This is exactly what Brian Foote said, that he wanted to target these merchants and these small artisans, these smaller, you know, again, these smaller merchants that want to capitalize and grow themselves, you feel me, outside their small communities. And then this beauty right here, as you can see, Humble's first Latin America billboard is officially live in Mexico. So again, they're promoting themselves in these countries that they want to capitalize on. And this is, again, solidifying the fact that this app is real. This is not no pump and dump. This is a real company making real moves and legitimizing their step in that Latin America territory. So huge, huge news, man. This is huge right here. And then for them to continue to add merchants and artisans, adding an artisan one per day for the whole week, that is amazing catalyst. So these two are the huge catalysts that are propelling this thing today, and I only see it getting better. I completely see this. We got the clear path on the technicals to the new high, or I'm sorry, to the old high of 35.99. And I very well see this thing potentially breaking that sometime soon. And I know all you TSMP bulls are extremely excited about that. So I wanted to share that news, why we had such a big day, and what I see moving forward. And again, like I said, once we solidified that break of 24.5, I've said it in previous videos. If you haven't watched it, please go and do so. That we had a clear path up to here. So for me as a trader, not only am I an investor, but I'm also a trader. And just for me as an individual, I feel comfortable relocating money in and out of positions, because if you guys didn't know, I am trading a small account. By no means do I come from any type of wealth. You know, before I got involved in the stock market, I was working at a grocery store for minimum wage. And then I decided I wanted to change my life. So I literally studied 5 to 6 hours a day, every single day, anything I could get my hands on stock market related. I got about 40 books in my room right now that I've ran through multiple times, took notes on. I've watched almost every single free thing I could find on YouTube, whether it was podcasts, whether it was tutorials, whether it was any type of education possible. I've also purchased DVDs and watched thousands of hours. I literally put in my 10,000 hours of research before now. And I'm finally finding my footing and understanding where my comfortability is at and where I can execute and capitalize for me as an individual through data that I've collected over the last few years to understand where I'm good at. And honestly, thanks to COVID, if it wasn't for COVID, I would still be working a full-time job, not being able to focus completely on here. But due to COVID, it actually gave me the opportunity to focus daily on here while collecting unemployment. So this has been beautiful for me because I'm literally very close to doubling my account, my entire net, within just a matter of a few short months. So it's beautiful for me personally, and with things like TSMP is a huge help, because you do your due diligence, you do your homework, and good things happen. And that's exactly what's happening for us all on TSMP. Humble has two amazing catalysts. TSMP finally had a huge day, a huge spike in volume, over 100 million in volume today, which is beautiful. And I just see good things to come from here on out. And I truly see this thing breaking out sometime in the near future. And we're definitely going to retest that high maybe sometime this week. If we have a big move like this today, we could definitely have a big move like this tomorrow. So two amazing catalysts for Humble. I couldn't wait to make a video about it. I'm so juiced about it. What a beautiful day in the market. So, you know, I just had to share it with you guys, share the catalyst on why we're having such a big day, my thought process on the technicals. I truly believe we can most likely test this area tomorrow if we have another huge move tomorrow. And due to those catalysts, we most likely can have a huge move tomorrow. So leave a comment. Again, congratulations to all you TSMP bulls who've been holding. I know you guys been holding for a while because y'all been letting me know, man. I love the conversations I have with you guys. I appreciate every single one of you. 100%. And let's keep this thing going with TSMP, guys. So again, leave a comment. Let me know how you guys did today. Let me know your excitement level. You feel me? Leave the strength. You feel me? Show me the strength, man. Again, man, if you watch this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia. It's a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. TSMP, a huge day, two great catalysts. I truly believe we will test that high sometime this week, maybe tomorrow, and potentially break it. If not this week, next week for sure. So I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.